always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and